This is a lift that my husband built very quickly. It has the pulley up there at the top, and it's just a couple pieces of wood screwed together with some bracing, and it just pulls it up the ladder. The ladder is flipped over upside down on the opposite side, so it just slides along the rail. And then when it gets to this one little spot, it has to go over this little bump, but it just falls down and we can carry shingles up it very easily. And then he can just pull it off when he gets to the top.
Okay, so we'll give you a top view. Here is our winch. You can see we just hooked it onto the top rail of the ladder. I've seen some videos where they're using just one extension, but what happens if you get a tall section like what we have here? Well, in this case, we're just using a common ladder, and it does go over that step when it's coming up. Let's see if we can show you that. You can see it's about ready to go over that step. And there we have it.
And then we have a rope tied to the bottom so I can, when it comes back down, it doesn't get caught on the lip of the ladder there. Just pull it over it and it goes down real easy.